We always talk about how to let go of the past and how to move forward because so many people are focusing so much on past and especially focusing only on the painful or the bad experiences from past, which is really holding them back. And that is why we talk about letting go, moving on from past. But even you can use your past to create your future. Yes. And today I'm going to give you 3 ways you can use your past in a positive and constructive way that will help you be more powerful in the present and create your future. Are you ready for it? I'm sure you are. Hey, hello Awesome Tribe. This is Awesome Eze, your mentor, guide and coach in your personal transformation. And today we are talking about past, yes, but not in a negative way, not to let go, but how to use it. See, we are in this journey where we had the past, then we have this present moment, this moment, and then we are creating the future. But most people, they are focused so much on their past, but unfortunately they are focused only on the pain and suffering of the past. No matter how painful past you have, there are always something good. And once you focus on the good, you start attracting more good from the future. Remember the law of attraction. Wherever your attention goes, your energy flows, and that's what you manifest. Like attracts like. If you focus the positive things from past, then you will attract more positive things in the future. So here are the 3 things that you are going to do. The first one is make a list of all your past successes. Yes. Whenever you think about it, maybe right now or after watching this video, you take your journal or a piece of paper or your notebook and make a list of all your past successes. All your past successes, whether it's from school time, college days, universities days, in your job, in your past relationships, everything, whether those things are existing in your life or not, anything that you have achieved, anything good that has happened, make a list of that. When you do it, you actually attach a positive energy to your past. Otherwise, whenever you are only focusing on your failures, only focusing on the negative experiences, you are attaching negative energy to your past and your past is holding you back. When you focus on the positive things, the successes, your past will strengthen you. Now, the second thing that you are going to do is make a list or write gratitude for all those people who have inspired you, who have loved you, who had helped you in past. Whether they are still existing in your life or not is not the matter. What matters is you have been helped or loved or cared or supported by some people. Whether that's a close friend, a family members, your parents or a best friend or even a stranger. Make a list of all those people who have helped you in the past, loved you, inspired you. And even if you can write gratitude in their name. Or if you are still in contact with those people, even you can send them a gratitude note. But that is not necessary, just making the list is enough. Now doing this thing will raise your vibration and help you attract more and more people in your present and future who will be loving you, who will be helping you, who will be inspiring you. Now the third thing, and this is very much important for everyone, is forgive yourself and forgive all those people who have done something wrong. Yes, forgiving yourself is most important because many people, they are carrying a lot of anger and resentment for themselves. Because of why? Because of their past decisions, because you have done something, you have trusted someone and something went wrong. When you forgive yourself and forgive other people, you actually unhook your energy or your entanglement with all those negative experiences or negative people or negative situations that you come through, so that you start being in a very peaceful state. So my friend, these 3 ways you can use your past in a positive and constructive way to create a magical future. Make a list of past successes, make a list of or write gratitude for all those people who have loved you, inspired you, supported you in past. And third is forgive yourself and forgive others. So once you do that, you will feel absolutely peaceful within you. You will feel much more joyful, and most importantly, you could able to let go of any kind of anger, guilt, resentment you are carrying, because these things are blocking your manifestation. So many people are not able to create their future because they are stuck with the anger, resentment, frustration, guilt from past. It's time for you to heal yourself, remove everything. Along with this, if you want to go to a deeper level to heal yourself completely from your past, then you should join our powerful program 21 days meditation journey, Heal Your Heart, which will really help you in healing yourself. You can check the link in the description section. If this video is an eye-opener for you, if this video has inspired you, like it, share, comment, and even you can write about some of the people who have helped you in the past in the comment section. And I wish you to use your past in a positive way so that you can create your magical future. Thank you, thank you, thank you. If you are new here, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon and be part of our awesome tribe. Thank you.